I'm a beg a donut, me beg a little gift.
Send some donuts for Uncle, please.
And I'm here the embarrass yourself.
And money gone.
Yeah. That is it.
Thank you. Uncle, see you get gift.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
That is
you.
it. Thank you.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for.
Me really come on to give the people them. I mean, I want to come take the liberty with me. Because the man don't want to come disrespect me in here. So I don't want to come out here. So I beg you to help me. I beg Spice, the man with name Spice, Sweet Spice, him's a labor right man. Labor right, let me see it. I beg assistant help. You shall never body panel live and beg assistant help. Please, me I beg you. Please, me I beg you. My friend, where those two Sweet and Spice. You don't know where we can get a look. So if you leave, you can't have the prime minister to do all. You can't do all the stuff for me and can't do the prime minister. Derrick on TikTok, I beg help. A long time I beg help on TikTok. You know, thank you.
Thank you for the TikTok cat, please.
Yeah, me I beg help.
Thank
Who
you.
can help? Me people their money, go give them now. Me people their money. Me the money no. Me the money. Me the money right now. Me the money. My friend, me inbox me. Me not live nowhere. I'm a little place me stay, and I pay $42,000 for rent for the room. I mean I have it. I help me. I look help. Me do work a letter. Me keep a Belmont Road all about. Me can't get nothing. Me can't get nothing. Me can't get. I mean if you can pass a little letter, make a little post and put it up on TikTok. Me get a little help. Me the question. Me not have nothing. Right now me go down and say the woman I come and disrespect me in the yard. Me can't bother with it. Me feel like I give up this evening. From mom and eat
Tired right now, Uncle.
Yes, tired.
Tired right now.
Me buy this, me buy the bread, me buy the cheese bread. It's stale, you can't eat. It's stale. See that it's stale. And me a beg help.
Thank you for your gifts.
I'm hungry. Hungry kill me. Me can't eat this, it's stale bad, it's stale. It's stale. Me can't eat it. Nobody can help no man. It's stale bread. See that it's stale something, stale. Cheese. See that the cheesecake. It's stale. Stale, bad. See that? Somebody must can give me buy me have something to eat. Hungry bad. Talk about the scream God. What a condition. Yes, the condition bad. The condition is very bad. Bad.
Exactly.
I'm old, we can't work no more. I'm tired of it. We can't. I'm sick some help.
Help out Uncle, please. See what you can do for him.
What's up? What's going on now?
But then my friend, not a thing now going for Uncle Derrick.
Oh, man, you gotta be careful, man.
Follow me.
Oh, you mean I follow you a long time already, Derrick?
Oh,
So, yeah, so how you guys doing?
good, and you?
All right, Derrick, you can't give me my money. I need a loan.
Whatever man gonna live that way. Man gonna tell you live that way. Hey.
No, you can't give me a loan.
What Derrick? Derrick live that way. Derrick live now look place where up here. Body for the weed. Someone
What, Jam Crow? Yes. No, because it's just a little, Derrick, it's just a little $50 I'm asking, you know. Just a little $50.
Not how much?
Derrick is saying that he want to give you $50. Tell him to give you $50, man, and stop stressing out. Tell him to give you a little $50 and stop stressing out, man.
No, but yeah, on a serious note, Derrick, more hear some more songs for you, man. That was a good song. I like it. And keep it up. I'm cutting. I just want to say that and just be accepted to even come on Uncle Derrick live, you know? You know what I mean?
That
Yes,
is
we
it.
have to get her, you know, she's out here. We see how this evening.
I know, man, but big up yourself, Uncle Derrick. Big up the rest of the platform and easy.
Likewise.
And hey, when you guys see me, don't kick me out because I notice anywhere me go, them a say me this, me that. Me not play games. Me just easy. Everybody
No,
good.
a long time we say that, but we never want to add the comment.
All right, so you know the good thing, no, everything set, you know. No mustard, no fuck around. Love and no blessings.
Likewise. What's up?
Great Fudgy 88. Thank you for the gift.
Nothing to add.